Hello and welcome to the Jsodet crochet channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet the half double crochet bolster stitch in rows so that the sides are even. The tip for even sides with the half double crochet bolster stitch is to begin and end with a regular half double crochet stitch. So I'm going to show you what that looks like and then how it's done. So I have my tiny swatch already started. So our first stitch is a regular half double crochet and then goes into the half double crochet bolster stitches down the row, and then the last stitch is a regular half double crochet again. And this is, I found, the best way to have the most even sides when working the bolster stitch in rows. So I'm going to show you how that's done. I already have my chain one started for the next row. So we're going to start off with a half double crochet stitch, a regular half double crochet, and then we're going to start working our half double crochet bolster stitches. So a refresher on how to crochet the half double crochet bolster stitch is we're going to yarn over, insert hook into that next stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop for 3, pivot your hook in front of your work, inserting it into the previous stitch, which is the same stitch as your regular half double crochet. Then we're going to yarn over and draw up a loop for 4 loops on your hook, yarn over one more time and draw through all 4 loops on your hook. And that gives it that little V in the beginning. So now we're just going to create half double crochet bolster stitches down the row, and again that's yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over, drop a loop for 3, pivot hook in front of your work, inserting it into the previous stitch, yarn over, drop a loop for 4 loops on your hook, yarn over one more time and draw through all 4 loops on your hook. Let's just keep going until we get to that last stitch, which again will just be a regular half double crochet. And one last half double crochet bolster, and now we're at the last stitch, which again will be just a regular half double crochet. So that's what it looks like when you're done with the row, and it looks like it's going to start slanting to the left. That's okay, because once we turn it around and do the same exact thing on the other, going the other way, it just evens it out, and that's what gets it the even sides. So let's go ahead, we're going to chain one and turn, and we're going to do the same exact thing again. So we're going to create the half double crochet in that first stitch, and then go into the half double crochet bolster stitches. And this works the same for the single crochet bolster stitch and the double crochet bolster stitch. And with those, if you're doing single crochet bolster stitch, then you would just start and end with a regular single crochet stitch. And if you're doing a double crochet bolster stitch, then you would end and begin with a regular double crochet stitch. So we're just going to go all the way down to the end. And at the last stitch, it's a regular half double crochet. Now again, it looks like it's going to slant to the left, but as you're going back and forth, it's just going to even out. So that's the video on how to crochet the half double crochet bolster stitch in rows to have even sides. If you like this video, please like. If you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comment below. And if you would like to see more of these tutorials, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.